Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got Charlie Street Glide in for a bunch of upgrades. Charlie started the install himself, then he brought it to us to finish it off. He's got our T-harness with the HCAD Mini DSP. He's running Diamond Audio components in the front, Diamond Audio mid-bass drivers in the lowers, Hertz 690 Neos in the Rockford lid kit. So now he wants to do a set of 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the bags and add a second amplifier, so it's going to be an evox 800.4. And then he also wants to upgrade to the GTS radio. Good looking, well put together bike. We're just gonna help him finish it off. Okay, the install's pretty solid. There's just a couple of things I gotta nitpick. Like, what is that? Come on, man. Hope it's soldered. Pee wee, pull that off. I want to see if that's soldered. Just yank on it. I'm sure it's just going to fall right off. Nope, nope. Ah, boo. Should have been soldered. Okay, so we're going to fix that up. Damn, man, you could test the tape. The wires made it look pretty. He got these harnesses for me, so that part looks good. So we got to fix that up. Holy cow, this wire's stiff. Radio Shack still open, Leo? We gotta fix that up. I wonder how long this, not bad. That's cool. He didn't bolt the DSP down, but it's all right, we'll take care of that. But what I don't understand is he put the board in place to, he used Velcro and it fell off. Got it. All right, he tried. But not a wire rescue, not bad. We just got to tighten it up a little bit. This is for his off-road headlight. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're going to have to fix. Like, I can't even clown him for this because this came with the headlight. We're gonna build new harnesses for this and get rid of these giant relays and use smaller relays and tuck them in behind. Actually, I'm not gonna put them on that side because near the DSP it might pick up noise from the relay. So see if we can tuck them on this side. But not bad, we're gonna clean it up a little bit. He did a good job, everything's solid. It's not a wire rescue, but we're gonna make it a little bit better. We're gonna let plus 6 dB fix that one up. Right, Kyle?
Yeah.
We're gonna cut his liners and then install the rings, but we're gonna maintain the liners to do the 8s. Boo! Not only did he use connectors on the 6-spine, he used the wrong ones. This is for 8 or 10 gauge wire. Watch how easily that falls off. All right, we'll fix that too. You know, it's not like Harley motorcycle shake or anything like that.